guys, so I decided to pick up the camera. I wasn't for sure if I was gonna vlog this video or not, so yeah, I just said why not. So today I'm taking the kids to the beach. You know, we got Blue in the back.
And Blake is asleep.
Blake is asleep. You got to see. She didn't want to be seen. But yeah, so Blue has been asking me to go to the beach for quite some time. We were supposed to do a Florida getaway, but unfortunately other things happened. So I said, you know, I still got to get my child to the beach. And here in Atlanta, you know, we don't have a lot of beaches. But we don't have a beach besides, I forgot the name of the Atlanta beach. So I decided to take them to Callaway Garden Beach, Lake Robin, basically. That's the name of it. And I guess I'm gonna be vlogging and bring you guys along. We're on the road now. It takes us an hour and 45 minutes to get here. We got like 30 minutes left to drive. So I was just like, let me just pick up the camera and vlog. So you guys, let's go.
For something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me.
Alright, you guys, so we made it. We're walking down now. Hey girl, you ready, girl? What about you, son? What about you? You ready? Maybe. But yeah, she just leaned away like she know where she going.
Well, she can see right now.
Obviously, yeah, true.
Well, she knows she's in.
I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better.
Go ahead, Blue.
Take me yours. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Come on.
I belong
Come on.
to you. And I always be
I'm gonna hold your hand. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna pick you up. Come on. I'm gonna hold you. Come on.
And I never let you down. Let you down, let you down.